Kwihambara municipality tungurwe kazaharengo rwa city omwaka w'2020 hakabarukaho rutaro hagati y'abebembezi b'orurembo hamwe n'aba district ya MBARARA barukurwanira ebyombeko bya Kamukuzi aho abasite bari kugira ngo district ebishohore meze bwiza bwera. Eki kikaretera minisita wa government z'ebyanga Rafael Magezi yaragira ngo buri omaguma hari okisyo bwengenderwaho erashozubwe ahabukwatirine no kubaganisa ebyombeko hamwe no kufuruka. Erizoba akachiko ka parliament akeshonga za government z'ebyanga hamwe n'abakozi ba government babugana hembajo zombi okutunga ebiteso byaba hakishemerire kukorwa. Leader Stabaro chairman w'entebe ya katana wa district ya MBARARA omukuhereza ya repoti ye yagira ngo nkacyabaho babihahe ebyombeko bya bibiri ya Kamukuzi nibija ku bantu barundana miliyoni igana munana zonko ku rw'umishoro.
Yet the person you are giving everything that is part of this good child now that is good books is going to take and is already generating about 8 billion local revenue, and they have not used the 8 billion local revenue to put very serious investments like the district that collects less has put on Kamukuzi here.
As a father, when you have given birth to your children, when you have given them, you have also come, you have to come back and say, I'm taking it back when you have officially given this.
We all know the guidelines. I happen to have started Sanga Town Council, but there was Sanga Sub-County that gave birth to the Town Council. The guidelines from the Local Government Act, they are very clear.
Tabaro yagira ngo bakaherezayo budget yabo ya billion umushanju ministry y'ebyesente okubahweraho mu kufuruka konka nazo sente tubakazirebaga.
Mugume mukibagambere mu MBARARA city yabera MBARARA municipality ikabe ino rushozo rwona ha White House style barkozesa kubibaruguza hatwe bareba babigurize rero bije kubona boneso gu omuzire wabo wabikire ebyo kurungi.
Ebyombeko by'MBARARA city rukwenda kutwara harimo icyo mu office za district ya MBARARA ahari Kamukuzi. Ebyombeko biri mu itendekero rya Makerere University of Business School ahabwitajya rya MBARARA n'ebiri mu Uganda Management Institute ahabwitajya rya MBARARA hamwe n'ebindi.
We are on the position that in MBARARA this local government is ready and set to relocate, okay, which is a very positive position. It already has the land. I don't know how much acreage, but has the land and the title.
49
acres. A big enough chunk of land, and it is ready to move. So that one has put the ball in our courts. It is us now to speed up the release of the money.
Gashakwa Adolfa Yoreka.